Today, we see the how to purchase domain and hosting. Domain and hosting are very important for to create a website. Without domain and hosting, it is impossible to create a website. And domains is simple like it's a name, like how Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Apple, like that. And hosting is the where are all products or images, website stored. And domains are we can purchase in different platforms such as Bluehost, Hostinger, HostGator, GoDaddy, BigRock, Namecheap, many different types of platforms available to purchase a domain. And here the main concept is the selecting extensions. There are different types of extensions such as .com, .in, .org, .tech, .co. These are different types. But for everyone, most probably beginners or bloggers need .com or .in. If we focus on worldwide, .com is the best. We focus on a specific country wise, like suppose in India, .in, US.us, Australia.au, like that. After seeing this selecting domain extensions, we're ready to go for the purchasing the hosting. And as I said, many platforms are available, but Bluehost is a very good. It gives the good support for customer services. If any problems we have faced, they have good customer service number. And once login with and not login, just open the Bluehost in your Chrome browser. You can see the Bluehost. Just select the and after we can see that there are different types of plans. Once go with the domain, select the domain, type the domain, which domain you wanted. You can see the different types of different types of domains here. Once yeah, we can see this domain is available, but we have to cross-check multiple times because sometimes domains not available. Let's check another one more again. This domain is not available. So like that, we have to check the multiple times which domain is available or which is not available. Purchasing a domain is a very main thing because if we want purchase the domain and we cannot change after it. So we have to select the best one with the small characters. We cannot take a domain with the big letters because it's whenever a domain is very short, then users can easily understand the domain and they can search easily. If we take the big domain names, it is difficult to harder for them also. Like ChatGPT is a very easy domain, Gemini AI is easy domain. Like this, you have to take the easy domains. I'm going with the domain because domain, I'm going with the .com. .com is very helpful to get the worldwide. If your business or if you are targeting in India, then go for the .in. After we can see this that cart page, there are different types of options, and here we have to very careful because many options are unnecessarily added by the Blue services. Like all these are not needed. Just remove the one by one. These are no needed to because main thing is enough for us. These are unnecessary increase the money. In Bluehost, by default, they selected 3 years. No need to go for the initial 3 years. Just go with the 1 year. After once selecting domain and selecting the plan, we can go with the continue. You can see the for 1 year we can total is a 2,500. It's enough for 1 year. After once you can go with the continue checkout. You can create the one account in Bluehost like name, country, address, state, pin code, email, etc. If you have GST number, you can add it. After you can create an account and password. You can purchase with UPI also, UPI, net banking, credit card. In Bluehost, before purchasing everything, I don't show the exact plans and how many overall plans. There are different types of plans also in Bluehost. These are all different types of plans. You can see the complete information here, which is suitable for you. Like it's a starter, you have business, it's e-commerce. Initially, no need for e-commerce for anyone. Mostly is a starter and business is enough. And so the complete information is like how much websites you get, how much storage you get, what are the money back guarantee. And initially, if you get the 1 year free domain, if you take this starter or business plans, you don't need to pay for the domain. All security, SSL, 24 into chart support, and all etc. These are the you can check before purchasing. Really helpful for you because no, it gives a good knowledge to take a decision also. And there are multiple like hostings, VPS hosting, and I forget to say this. There are 3 types of main hostings like shared hosting, dedicated hosting, VPS hosting. Shared hosting is like it's very useful for beginners, and VPS is it's like apartment, like how an apartment share the gym, grounds, playground, etc. Dedicated is for like e-commerce website. Initially go with the shared hosting only, no need to go for the VPS hosting or dedicated hostings. And you can explore this all information, you get them more knowledge and good decisions. After good to go, you can buy the domain like previously shown that going for the selecting domain, selecting package, and paying the money. That's it. Next video you can go with the website.